Yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr.BrownGuy. We are back with another episode of, well, call it whatever you want, but let's grow some fucking muscle, all right? So, the problem I see and I hear a lot about is when doing a bicep curl on an incline bench, there are a apparently misunderstood concept of what a incline bench bicep curl is. And I'm here to tell you what the fuck it is, because it's not what you think it is. Nothing near it. It might be the same setup, but you're not doing it right. And that's why I'm here to tell you how to fucking do it right, all right? Before we start, it's a private facility that I'm at right now in a hotel down in the basement. So that's why we have commercial music in the background. This is what they apparently believe we need to be a fucking beast at working out while, I'm not sure if it's Taylor Swift or whoever the fuck it is, but you get the point. So this is not to be a fucking beast in the gym. This is just to tell you how you should do it, all right? So listen, what you need to do first is when doing an incline, this is not an incline. This right here is an incline. You also need to move your seat a little bit up. Yeah. So what you want to do next is you take your dumbbells. Don't worry about the amount of kilos, pounds, whatever it might be. No. Think about the contraction that you're going to do, because right now you're going to be in a position like this, having your dumbbells all the way down here and curling it up. This is the worst stretch, but also the best stretch ever. Trust me. So what I want you to do is between 8 to 10 reps. Let's do 8. All right. So say your dumbbells right here. You go all the way down. If you can, rest your head on the bench and you do your curl. On the way down, I can feel my biceps stretching right now. And that is an incline bicep curl. This is how low you should be when doing a incline bicep curl. The meaning of this exercise right here is that you are stretching your bicep, both heads. Your biceps are 2 heads that you have. So you're stretching both of them. Your shoulders, they might move a bit, but you might not feel it at all. I'm not feeling anything in my shoulders right now. But I can promise you my bicep is on fire just by doing this. So let's do 2 more. And on the last one, we stretch it. We hold it down for 10 seconds, all right? So the last one here, all the way up and all the way down. This is the most uncomfortable position right now. Not for my shoulders, not for my tricep, not for my arms, but only my bicep. Let's keep it here for 5 more seconds. Stretch the bicep and let go. All right? So, trust me, right now my biceps are on fire just by doing this set. Now, I want you to do 4 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Start on a low amount of kilos, pounds, or whatever the fuck you have. Just a low weight and work your way up. Yeah. Try that. Give me some feedback if it works. If it doesn't work, well, it's an old school exercise that's been working for the past 60 years. So I hope it works. But now you know the setup, how to do it fucking right, all right? So do it. Subscribe, like, give me some love, all right? Because I love you too. I'll see you soon. Hey.